Hi, I'm Bill Singer and I'm with Kenwood Management. And I wanted to talk with you about, as an investor, what makes your investment a bit unique when you decide to choose Kenwood Management. First and foremost, we only invest in multi-tenanted properties. Our experience has been that that provides a much safer investment and a much better risk-reward ratio from an investor's perspective. Those multi-tenanted properties you can often think about as very similar if you were investing in a mutual fund. Let me explain what I mean by that. So if you're in a mutual fund, you are frequently invested in 50 or 100 different companies. And the value of the mutual fund is that if one of those companies doesn't perform well, then the overall investment is pretty safe, right? That's one company is going to have a relatively small impact on the overall investment. Well, think about multi-tenant properties in a similar perspective. You might have 20 or 25 tenants, and if one of those tenants were to decide to vacate, the overall impact on the property's cash flow is much smaller. Second, one of Kenwood's specific goals is we want all of our sponsors to invest in every property. So our interests are aligned with every one of our investors. We literally have skin in the game on every particular property. And that's important to you as an investor, right? You want to know that your sponsor, the person looking after this property day in and day out, is really motivated, really wants to see the investment be successful. Lastly, Kenwood manages every property that it is invested in. It doesn't do investment or it doesn't do management for anybody else. It only manages the properties that Kenwood sponsors and Kenwood investors participate in. And that's a huge advantage because the goals of a third-party management company are often very different from the owners of a property. But in this case with Kenwood, since we're managing those properties, the goals of the property management company are exactly in line with what the investors are after. So those are some of the things as an investor you should think about with any company you're thinking about investing with, but it's one of the strengths that we feel exists with Kenwood Management. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you have any other questions, please go to our website at www.kenwoodmgt.com. And thanks for watching.